Useful English for real conversation. Ma'am, today I am going to ask you some Urdu sentences, but I want natural English, not word by word translation. Perfect. Let's begin and everyone watching try to answer before I do. मुझे देर हो गई है. I am late. आप कहाँ थे? Where were you? आपने मुझे बताया क्यों नहीं? Why did not you tell me? मुझे इसका पता नहीं था. I did not know about it. मुझे थोड़ा वक्त दें. Give me some time. मैं अभी मसरूफ़ हूँ. I am busy right now. बाद में बात करते हैं. Let's talk later. मुझे तुम्हारी बात समझ आ गई. I understand what you mean. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. Mini challenge. Okay, now it's your turn. How will you say, मुझे अभी जाना है? Ma'am, I think I can use these sentences every day. Exactly. Learn less but use it more. See you in day 5. Keep learning and keep speaking. Before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay connected with us for more easy to learn English videos. Keep learning, keep growing, and I shall see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.